everyone! Welcome to Fi's Kitchen. Ang dish na lulutuin natin today is not just comforting but very nutritious. Favorite ko itong dish na to every time I feel under the weather. At sa version ng recipe na ito, hindi tayo gagamit ng broth cubes, so all natural flavor talaga. Ang dish natin for today, tinolang manok. For the ingredients, you will be needing 1 to 2 thumb-sized ginger. Yung half, ika-crush natin. Then, yung other half is slice naman. Also, you will be needing 3 cloves minced garlic, 1 diced small onion, 3 to 4 tablespoons fish sauce, dahon ng sili, sayote. Dito, ang ginamit ko is half lang ng isang malaking sayote. Pero, pwede namang isang buo yung gamitin nyo. You will also be needing 1.5 liters of water. And of course, chicken. Kalahating kilong chicken yung gagamitin natin ngayon. Since hindi tayo gagamit ng chicken broth cubes sa version ng tinolang manok na ito, medyo mas mahaba yung cooking time. So, ang una natin gagawin is imamarinate lang natin yung chicken with fish sauce, garlic, and crushed ginger. I-marinate mo yung chicken for at least 1 hour or if may time ka, i-marinate mo siya overnight. Don't forget to cover the chicken para hindi makontaminate. Once na ready na yung chicken mo, start sauteing the onion. Then, add the ginger. Tapos, add the garlic. At katulad nga ng lagi kong sinasabi, press it occasionally using the back of your ladle to extract more flavor. Continue sauteing until it becomes soft and fragrant. After that, add the chicken. Lutuin mo lang in medium heat or fire until wala ka nang makitang pink part and mapapansin mo na nagmamantika na ng konti. After that, you may add the water. Haluin mo lang, then bring it to boil. Kapag nagpapakulo ka, minsan merong mga lumulutang sa ibabaw na parang bula or yung parang foam, you have to remove it. Then once na kumulo na, hinaan mo lang yung apoy or yung temperature ng stove mo, then pakuluin mo lang ng 1.5 to 2 hours in low to medium heat or fire. Very important na mapakuluan mo to ng matagal since hindi nga tayo gagamit ng chicken broth, so lahat ng flavor manggagaling talaga siya sa chicken. After 2 hours and napapansin mo na yung oil is lumulutang na sa ibabaw, pwede mo nang ilagay yung sayote. Pakuluan mo lang to ng mga 3 to 5 minutes, tapos ilagay mo na yung dahon ng sili. Haluin mo lang, then after that, your tinolang manok is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like this video. Click the subscribe button and the bell button beside it so you'll be notified every time I upload a new recipe. If you have comments or suggestions or want to request for a recipe, just comment down below. Bye!